What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today we are starting out with customer orders. This was a priority this morning, so I had to get these all done. So I am basically getting those shipping labels out. I am making sure all these stickers are ready to go because now all I gotta do is put these shipping labels on these envelopes. And then after this, I'm going to just start packaging up the stickers and decals, getting them all ready to go. These will be shipped out today and probably be there to the customer in the next 3 to 5 days. And all I got to do from here is just close up these envelopes and I'm done. All right, so I had to redo this Dodge decal fender twice. As you can see over here, there's a massive sheet of vinyl. And what I think happened was one of the wheels, and I'm thinking this one, came off the track, or this was just pushed over too far. This came off because it kind of angled a little bit, and then angled the whole sheet sideways. And so it's just cutting across all parts of the other decal that was already cut. So had to do it again. So now we were going to cut this out and lay it on the table, cover it with some transfer tape, and then the customer is going to come over later and pick it up. I guess he doesn't want me to ship it. He lives close, so I'm going to go get that done right now. So enjoy the fast motion clip. So apparently Amazon did not let me post these. I know a couple days ago, a couple videos ago, I posted that I was going to start putting these product listings up onto my product listings to advertise my website. They didn't go through, so I decided to just start adding mock-ups instead. So like this is what I'm gonna start doing on all my decals, just because they didn't go through, and it's fair enough. But they didn't give me like an actual reason why. They didn't even say they removed them. So I was looking for the report for it, but I couldn't find it. But I'm gonna see if these show up, and if these show up, then I'll know that it was wrong. But if they don't show up as well, then I'm gonna go contact support and then try to get all these listings up onto Amazon. So kind of confusing, but we'll see if this uploads. All right, so good news is that these two mock-ups popped up on my product page, which means I'm able to at least put mock-ups up on every single one of my stickers and decals. Unfortunately, I cannot advertise my own website, which I knew there was a possibility of that happening, but they didn't say it was wrong. They didn't like report me saying that there was like any violation. When I read the terms, it said no text. So I can't have text, so mock-ups will do. I just needed more photos so people can look at it and be like, oh, I could use it for this or this, whatever. This is the end of the video. I have to cut it short. My buddy's in town. I'm gonna go hang out with him. This is a longer video than the day before, so I hope this makes up for the last 2 days. Anyways, I hope you guys had a wonderful day, and let's go over to yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, so starting off with eBay, we made $28.86. On TikTok, we made $13.53, and we made $481.63 on Amazon. So a total of $524 yesterday, which is not bad. We're at 500, so which, we're at $15,000 a month if we were hitting that amount of money. So we are now at $10,000 or $10,520. So we're getting up there. Hopefully we can hit 30K this month. But if you enjoy videos like this, I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So if you're not subscribed and you do enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing down below. And also, if you can give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well, so more entrepreneurs can find my channel just like you. And I will see you all tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.